Hi everyone, this is week 5 and one of the major assignments that you have to get ready for is your snapshot presentation. So I'm just going to walk you through this because you have a couple steps to take before you can complete it. First of all, read the entire instruction. So you would have to answer a couple of questions here by choosing the questions from here. One, who or what is your greatest greatest educational influence? It could be a person, it could be a movement, something, but you need to have to talk about that. And then if it's a person, talk about how far this person went in college, what about this person inspired you, and then your own educational autobiography. What have you done so far? What has contributed to your success? What has been a challenge? And before starting college, what were your fears? And then so far, based on your experience, how is college different from high school? And you definitely have to do number 3, where you describe 3 problem-solving strategies that you will use based on all the things we have done so far to avoid distractions and other pitfalls you may face. So what I would suggest is first make an outline, kind of. Don't write out the entire speech because that'll, you'll be tempted to read it. You don't want to do that. So rather just talk to the audience. And the way you're going to do it is make an outline and then make a video. You can use a phone, your computer or webcam, and then just upload it here. Before you upload it here for your group to view it, you're going to upload it to the YouTube, and there's instruction here in this video how to do it on the YouTube and get the captioning, and then you are going to upload it here. The way this assignment is going to work is the entire class has been divided into 9 groups with 4 students in each group, and this has been randomly done. So you just go and submit it or post it here for your group, and then the other group members will watch your video and give you comment feedback, and you will do the same. You will watch the other 3 people's snapshot presentations and give comments, just learning from each other and also getting to know about each other. So this we have given you 2 weeks to complete it, but get started on it early and do not wait till October 18th to do this, because all these steps will take some time and planning, and you want to do the very best because this assignment is for 100 points. So it's a major assignment and it'll be weighted more than other assignments. So I would like you to take your time to do this. And if you have any questions or how to go about doing this, let me know or join me in Zoom on Wednesday or Thursday. And I can show you even an easier way by going onto Canvas itself, and you can do that. So anyway, whatever is easier for you to submit your video, plan ahead and get it done. All right. I hope you'll join me on Zoom if you have any questions.